In the previous challenge, I mentioned that there's another way to calculate the difference that requires fewer lines of code, and that's the subject of this challenge. The new algorithm looks like this. First, subtract the target number from the slider's value. Then, if the result is a negative number, multiply it by -1 to make it a positive number. At this point, pause the video and try changing the difference calculation to this new algorithm. Then keep watching to compare your work to my solution. All right, that's it. Good luck. All right, I'm going to delete our old if-else statements here. And instead, we're just going to say the difference equals self.target minus slider value. Now this might be negative, right? Because what if self.target is 50 and slider value is 55? Well, it could be -5. So we're going to say if difference is less than 0, then we're going to say difference equals difference times -1. So if it's like a -5, difference equals difference times -5 times -1, which would be +5. By the way, there's a couple shortcuts to doing this line in Swift. So instead of this, we could say difference times equals. Actually, we'll leave that there, and I'll put it in a comment. You can make a comment, which basically is some text that Swift can just ignore. You just put 2 slashes like this. So we also could do difference times equals -1. This line is exactly the same as this line. It's just a shortcut. This way it's easier than having to type difference twice. And actually there's another shortcut you can use here, or difference equals minus difference. All of those, they all work the same way. I'm just going to leave it as this first one for now. All right, so I'm going to hit Command U first of all. This is one of the benefits of unit tests. We can make sure we didn't break anything. So if our unit tests pass, our code should be good. I switch over to the test navigator, we got greens everywhere. So that's looking good, and I'm just going to do run the app just to make sure as well. I'll try to get my closest to 70. Let's see what I did. And I got 74, and that was 4 away from 100, so I scored 96 points this round. Awesome.